All right, guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a quick video on one method that I use to promote ClickFunnels, one of many methods. And this is completely free organic traffic. So what do? Well, the best thing to do is to make a website. Now you can go to Bluehost and make a website there, get the domain name. And once you and use the schema theme on the WordPress, because that attracts more, it's more user-friendly to use. I'll show you my website, so you know what I mean. But what I do is simply, for example, I'll show you my website first. So if I go to Savage, or is it gone online training, artist affiliates, should load up. What you're doing is you're trying to find, this is a keyword tool I got. So this is called Key Search. This is for about £10 a month or $10. So it's my website's taking long. Oh, there you go. So this is my website that I use, that I've created, and it's a review page for ClickFunnels. Now, if you notice here, I've got an affiliate link which goes to the 14-day free trial. So what you're doing is, once you get, you don't have to have a ClickFunnels account. You can, I believe, you can promote it without the monthly subscription. But this is simply what I do. I go to Key Search and I type in ClickFunnels. And then what will happen is it will show you all the words related to ClickFunnels. And you can see here, all these words, you want to go for the ones that are in green because they're low ranking and easy to rank for. And ClickFunnels is about 5 years old. Not many people really know about it. And this is good though. Just, this is low. You can rank easily for this. So let's have a look at what we got. Let's get our notepad. We can write the key, get the keywords down. Yeah. Okay. So actually I've got a monitor here, so you might not see it, but let me just get these keywords. Well, I'll put it here actually. So this is a very easy word to rank. It's only 32. Yeah? And then we've got, so what we're doing is we're collecting each keyword that we're going to use in our articles. So you want to slowly space these out in your articles and talk about, while you're talking about the review on ClickFunnels. You can go and check these, see what these are like. ClickFunnels Alternative 25. See, so you can do a comparison there. So like I've done a comparison of ClickFunnels and lead pages. So you can compare two softwares and see which one's better. That's a good way of ranking on your website too. What else? We've got ClickFunnels with lead pages. See, that's low to rank, so that's a good one to do. And it shows you here how it gets 1,300 hits a month. These ones get 390, 1,900, 4,400. So you're getting a lot of searches for ClickFunnels here. And this one here, network marketing. So you could put this. Your idea is to collect about 8-9 keywords. ClickFunnels free, so you could do ClickFunnels free trial. You can link that in. So ClickFunnels. So what I do, so this is what I do. I grab about, I don't know, 8-9 keywords. So I might grab like lead payment integration, or I don't know. ClickFunnels training. That's a good one. So ClickFunnels training. So what you're doing, the idea is you're getting about, I don't know, 9-10 keywords, and then you create an article with those keywords in it. So I could do like ClickFunnels review. Then you can embed some videos in as well. Let's see, where's it? ClickFunnels training, ClickFunnels free. So the free could be the free 14-day trial that you have. So that comes in part of the keywords. So you kind of integrate the keywords, these keywords here, in with your article. So it could be ClickFunnels. Hey, check out the ClickFunnels training for free, or free training. So as long as you've got those words in there, Google will pick it up. And that's what you do. You just create an article. And then I've got all these affiliate links in here, like the email autoresponder. So if I click on this, it takes them to GetResponse, which I'm an affiliate of. So when people sign up to this, you get a reoccurring commission every month. So, and then you have like Expert Secrets, which is another link to ClickFunnels. If people buy this, then you get $1 to 1,000 in commissions, depending on what they buy. and then you compare both of the softwares. Again, start your 14-day trial, free 14-day trial. And so basically it's that simple, guys. It starts off slow, so it won't get quick straight away, but when you start your website, just keep adding articles every day or every other day. Just keep posting articles. Over here on my website, I have ClickFunnels, then I have ClickFunnels tools. So when you actually join ClickFunnels, you can promote all these tools. Now, all these tools are affiliate links. So when people click on this and buy, I get a commission. So I've just created a link here, and if you click here, it takes you to, it takes you to the lead page, you see, and you put your email in. And when they put their email in, ClickFunnels will promote stuff to them, and if they buy it, you will get a commission. So they do a lot of the work for you. So if I click on this, same, see, so this is all of my affiliate links. People will buy it, and this is organic traffic, so it takes a bit of time. But once it starts working, it's like a snowball effect. You'll start getting more money coming in, commissions. And also, I'm an affiliate of Bluehost, so I have an affiliate link here. But I'm trying not to put too many banners here because I just been about 2-3 months that I've started the website. So you don't want to overload it either. You want to keep it a bit simple there. Affiliate marketing. And this is a review. If you look at my previous video, I did a review on one of my mentors, Franklin Hatchett's Savage Affiliates. Great course. Recommend it completely. So you can check out the review here. I've done a video review as well, so you can check that out. I might actually put that in here, the video review. And I've got other courses, K-Money Mastery by Stefan, which you might be familiar with. You know, he's got his course, 24-hour book, web host. So I'm affiliate to all these web hosts. When people click on this, I get a commission. So that's one other way that you can make money as well. And reviews. So this is kind of the structure, and I'm also linking back in the article. So I link back to my articles, which are like little bank links, and these are all affiliate links here as well. So so that's why I just wanted to show you that in a nutshell, that this is one way of reviewing. Obviously, there's a YouTube channel as well. You can review on that, and you can get leads this way. But this way, I use a software called ClickMagick, which I'll talk about in another video. But basically, you can set up here and track if it's coming from your website or if it's coming through your YouTube channel. So this is basically a one way of showing you how to get free trials or how to get trials from ClickFunnels. Give it a bit of time, work at the website, keep it simple, minimalist, work for it for the first 3 to 6 months. That really, just be consistent, and over time Google will start to rank in the SEO, and you will start to soon see people clicking and your website coming up on the first, second page of Google. Obviously you want it on the first, but it will slowly happen. You just have to be patient with this. It's not one of those overnight successes. You have to stick with it, and just every day just set a little goal that I'm going to write an article. It takes me about an hour, half an hour to an hour to write an article. You can copyright or get someone to do it for you. So I hope this video has helped. It's a quick video on one way, and I just wanted to show you that this way. And I also here, you can collect emails, so I'm embedded that. And also at the bottom here, it's embedded here as well. And I got links here as well. So I try and put links everywhere. And also social media, you can share on there as well. And also, guys, this is one product from ClickFunnels that you can promote. So what you can do is you can promote an Expert Seekers book. So all they do is they pay for the shipping, and then you earn $1. Now, if they're on here, when you bring them to here and they buy the book, ClickFunnels will start promoting all of these other products to them. So ClickFunnels has what is known as a sticky cookie. So if someone clicks on your link, it remembers that person clicked on your link, and it could be like 3 months down the line or 6 months down the line. If they end up buying it, then you will get that commission. That's what's so good. So you got a potential earning of $927 if they end up buying all of this or most of this, because it's valued at $2,300. So this is a good product to promote. So that's one of the products. There's so many products for ClickFunnels, like I showed you. If we go back here, ClickFunnels tools. So there's so many products. This is the 14-day trial. So if they click on this, well, it goes to my dashboard, but 30-day summit. Yeah, see, if they click on this, so if they click on this, you make 100, and they buy this, you make 100. I've sold a couple of these. I made $200. So, and this as well, and that 200 was in a week. So it does work. So you just, all of these, just take them straight to the landing page. They come here and they sign in, then you're on that sticky cookie. There's 2. So that's all you're doing. You're promoting, and you can promote through Facebook, Quora, and you can post on Twitter as well. Just get it out there. And creating an email list. So what I do is once I get an email list, the other good way of promoting is once you get your email list, which should load up here. Here you go. See, I have an email list of ClickFunnels people. So if I go to my list here, I can go to Savage. What's this? So I got 494 in that list. 100. So about 5 to 600. So what I can do is I can go to automate, and I'll show you one of these. If I go to ClickFunnels here, and you can set up. So for example, if someone clicks on my link, so if you look here, this is one of my videos where I talk about how to make $100 a day with YouTube ads. I'll show you what. So you can check that out. I'll leave it in the link below. But if you look here in my links, I have a access your free 14-day trial. So this is a good way to promote. So you just press here, it goes straight to the 14-day trial. So if someone clicks on this trial, I start getting a reoccurring commission every month. So that's another way of doing it. And this email marketing here. So if someone signs in to my funnel page I've made here, so all you do is get your free, you can click on this, get your free 14-day trial, and you can collect emails in. Someone types in here, email, and sign up. So I'll just do a test one. You get the email, and it goes straight to the 14-day trial. Yeah. Now, once you get the email, it goes into your list here. See, whoever subscribes here, you send them a welcome message. And then you can start. So what you can start doing is you can start adding other stuff in here. So you can say, all right, well, I've got the welcome message. And then here you can say, all right, let's let them wait for 1 day or 2 days, or however many you want. You can control that all here however you want. And then you may create another email at the bottom. So let's say send message. And then you could put, so what you can do now is make them wait for like 2 days or 3 days. So it doesn't look like you're bombarding them with stuff. Then you can go back to your website. You can go to your ClickFunnels tools, and you can promote this. You can say, hey, this 30-day summit, check out. Oh, I heard you got your 14-day trial. Now check out this summit, 30-day summit. And then you can promote all of these on the back end. See, that's where you're going to make the real money. When you start collecting your emails, then you will start making money. Because if you think about it, I mean, they say the magic number is 10,000 emails. Because if you got 10,000 emails and you're sending, I don't know, you're going to promote that. We were talking about, what one was it? That one with 100,000. Sorry, $800, $900 commission. Can you imagine? It's likely one person will buy that out of the 10,000. So all you need to do is promote these on the back end, and you'll start making commissions. It's that simple. The building the list takes a bit of time. You can do solo ads for that if you want. You can go to, I've got it on my website here. If you go to blog tools, you can go to Udemy here. So here you can get solo ads. So I can log in here. And here people actually sell their email list. So you can do that as well. Just get rid of this. So you can go here to solo deals, and people sell, 54p. And then you can look at their reviews. So this guy's got 3,150 reviews. And you can see the feedback here. Did I get any clicks, opt-ins, sales? Lets you know, so you know which one. So you can buy emails as well. I've bought some, and some of it is for free traffic from my YouTube channel. So you just continually, just consistently do this every month. And you can see here, you know, he adds 2,000 subscribers every day. So you know you're getting fresh leads. So you can do it this way. I'll do a separate video on this next time to show you how I do this. But I just wanted to quickly show you this, that there's so many stuff that you can promote for ClickFunnels and get commissions. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.